All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a graphic novel using Google Gemini and NotebookLM. And this is really, really cool, but it is a little bit more complex. So stick with me, it's going to be great. I'm going to draw on the help and actually really give credit for the inspiration of this project to Eric Kurtz. He's the one that has developed this whole process, and he has graciously shared all of the tutorials and the gems that he created so that we can use them. So I have the link on the webpage in the prompts section, but we're going to go to Google Gemini and specifically to his gem that is the graphic novel maker. And I need to add my source text, so I'm going to add it from my drive. And it should be in my recents. Here's chapter 1. And this is the prompt that I'm going to use. I am going to tell this gem to generate a bilingual graphic novel in English and Spanish based on the text outlined in the attached documents and geared toward 5th grade students. It should be 5 to 10 pages long and capture all key events and dialogue. We'll click submit. And he's going to give us a greeting, give us a link to all of his instructions. This is something that this is programmed to do every single time. So if you need extra help, you want more information, click the link to his blog. It's great, super, super helpful. It's going to ask a couple of clarifying questions. So it's going to make sure that it's on the right track. It's going to use chapter 1 of Treasure Island. It's for 5th grade students. We want 5 to 10 pages. So I'm just going to type that in the response here. And it's going to ask additional details. And I don't really have any additional details to give it, so I'll click submit. And it should next ask me what style I'd like it to use. All right, it's going to suggest 3, and we will use, let's use the classic adventure style. And say submit. And now it's going to start creating my script for my graphic novel. So it's not making the actual graphic novel yet. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. It's giving lots and lots of instructions. And now I need to click these little 3 dots at the bottom of that response, maybe, and export to docs. Now that it's ready, I can click Open Docs. And I want everything here except for the text right at the beginning. So I'm just going to select it and delete. And now my script is ready. I could go through and make edits here. I'm not going to mess with this at all right now. I typically don't. But if you wanted to, you could totally do that right here inside of the doc. Now I'm going to come back up to NotebookLM and add this as a source. It's in my drive right there. We'll pull it in, and this should be pretty quick. And now I'm going to make sure only that is selected. I'll come up here to slide deck and click that little arrow. I want a detailed deck. I want this in English even though it's bilingual. And we'll use the default length, and then my description is simply retell this story as a bilingual graphic novel. I'll click generate. And it'll take a few minutes, but once it's done, it'll be right here and ready for my preview.